Hello and namaste, amazing self. This is Shanti from yogaforhappiness.com. Well, this is the holiday season, so a crazy time for gift giving as well as gift receiving. What do you think is an ideal gift to give to somebody you love? Is it going to be material possessions that are going to get broken, torn, or become empty after a few days of use? You are part of my community and hence you must be heart-centered, just like me. So I want you to really think differently. Why not think about giving an educational experience like Sarah Joy, who gave an Indian experience with me for her daughter's 16th birthday, an experience that expanded her inner thinking, something she wouldn't forget. Or maybe you can think of presenting someone a book, a training, a coaching program, a video, maybe a paid appointment with a counselor, something that could help the person or yourself to move forward in life. Or how about doing something for physical fitness? For anyways, physical well-being is the foundation upon which everything else can be built. Hearing the word fitness, what does it really mean to you? Are you thinking of those strenuous classes in the gym, those in which you would be sweating and panting and feeling exhausted at the end of the session, or running on the treadmill, or lifting weights which are way beyond your capacity and for way too long, or sitting in front of the TV and listening to the person instructing you, come on, push harder, go for it, you can do it, no pain, no gain, go for it. Is that what fitness is all about? No, the shady marketers are trying to each convince you that their program or their diet plan is the best that's going to keep you fit, make you lose X pounds of weight, and so on. But see where this nation is going. The obesity rate is only increasing and untold medical issues in everyone's life. So then, what is the alternative? Well, we can go the ancient way, where you listen to the body, you do for a much shorter period of time, focusing on the quality, not the quantity, enhancing your inner focus, balance, and the true connection to your inner being. The holistic way of fitness. An example is yoga abhyasa practice. If anyone told you that yoga cannot achieve all these things and it cannot make you fit or improve your health, that it is only for relaxation, for flexibility, well, take it from me, they are wrong. Think of a true yogi or a yogini who is sick, who is obese, unhealthy, taking supplements, visiting doctors. No, true yogis and yoginis don't suffer from stress, from depression, from lack of energy, anxiety. On the other hand, they enjoy excellent health. They are peaceful. They have abundant energy. They are truly happy and content in life. And I am a living example for it. So, if you want to think of this unique gift giving to yourself or to your loved one, something that will make a true difference in your life or in someone's life, something that will bring about a total transformation, then I have a fantastic offer for you. From the Thanksgiving to the Christmas, you can shop around to find the best program. But if you resonate with my philosophy and my way of life, then wouldn't it be so much easier if you begin to train with me? Think of your future self telling you, I did this program, I moved forward. What an amount of joy it will bring to you. And I want to make this decision really simple, a no-brainer for you. Please click on the link below. And remember, you always have 30 days to decide if you really want it or you want your money back.